Chock-a-block. Very full, crowded. The store was chock-a-block with shoppers. The street was chock-a-block with cars. Tick-tock. The sound of a clock. The tick-tock of the clock kept me awake. Tick-tock, time is running out. Wishy-washy. Weak, indecisive, lacking strength. He gave a wishy-washy excuse. Don't be so wishy-washy about your decision. Dilly-dally. Waste time, be slow. Stop dilly-dallying and get ready. We missed the bus because he kept dilly-dallying. Ping-pong. Table tennis game. We played ping-pong after school. Ping-pong requires quick reflexes. Hanky-panky. Secret or improper behavior. No hanky-panky in the office. They were caught doing hanky-panky. Hodge-podge. A mix, a jumble. Dinner was a hodgepodge of leftovers. His room is a hodgepodge of junk. Mumbo-jumbo. Nonsense talk. That's just political mumbo-jumbo. I don't believe in that mumbo-jumbo. Hoity-toity. Arrogant, snobbish. She talks in a hoity-toity way. Don't act so hoity-toity. Heebie-jeebies. Feeling of fear or anxiety. That horror movie gave me the heebie-jeebies. Spiders give me the heebie-jeebies. Easy-peasy. Very easy. The exam was easy-peasy for all pupils. Cleaning house and gardening are easy-peasy. Roly-poly. Round and plump. The roly-poly baby laughed. A roly-poly puppy waddled across the floor. Higgledy-piggledy. Messy, disordered. Books were piled higgledy-piggledy. Clothes lay higgledy-piggledy on the bed. Zig-zag. A line with sharp turns. The road goes zigzag up the mountain. He ran in a zigzag to avoid being caught. Flip-flop. Sandal footwear or sudden change. She wore flip-flops to the beach. The politician flip-flopped on the issue. Tittle-tattle. Light gossip, idle talk, or silly chatter, usually about unimportant things. Stop all this tittle-tattle and get back to work. The neighbors love a bit of tittle-tattle about who's moving in next door. Willy-nilly. Without choice, without order, or in a disorganized way. He was dragged willy-nilly into the fight. Clothes were thrown willy-nilly on the floor. Tip-top. Excellent, perfect, or very high quality. Her house is always in tip-top shape. He was feeling tip-top after a good night's sleep. Nitty-gritty. The most important, basic, or practical details of something. Let's skip the small talk and get down to the nitty-gritty of the plan. The teacher explained the nitty-gritty of how to solve the math problem. TikTok. A popular social media app for sharing short videos. She spends hours making funny videos on TikTok. That song became famous because it went viral on TikTok. Ding-dong. The sound of a bell, or sometimes used to describe a noisy quarrel or fight. I heard the ding-dong of the doorbell. The politicians had a real ding-dong in the debate. Teeny tiny. Very, very small. She found a teeny tiny shell on the beach. Look at that teeny tiny kitten, it's so cute.